Let's just be honest. Let's just be real.
Alright, first time getting in my R34. Oh, I need to watch that. It smells a little bit, but...
Like smoke?
Yeah, it's kind of dirty. It's got the Nismo cluster.
Oh.
Clutch, stock.
Stock, yeah. Makes sense. Stock wheels, stock stuff.
Stock's comfortable in here.
Oh.
Look at this.
High speed. Oh, little 10.
Pretty good.
Have a cup holder right there already.
Definitely needs a little cleaning, refresh, but I'm gonna be driving this in a few months.
Yeah, you can go in Hawaii.
That's pretty cool.
Alright, don't hit your other car with the door.
UV cut glass.
Yeah, that's how all Nissan stuff come.
What exhaust is on this one?
Yeah, it's nice.
Looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good, yeah. Looks like it's not too bad.
Alright, this is my first time getting in my S15 Spec R.
You gonna keep this one?
Oh yeah.
Automatic? Hell yeah.
Needs a shift boot.
Yeah.
Needs a little cover here for the, I don't know what this is going on. I already have this cover. Airbag light because of the steering wheel.
The resistance on there.
Power steering is bad. It's like hard. Needs fluid or something.
It's just fluid, yeah.
Or hopefully not a pump. Clutch is stock. Give a little
Power steering.
cover.
So it works.
This is sick.
Let's go. I got a piece all back.
Cruising around in this thing today. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, this guy's got good power too compared to the other ones.
That sounds so good.
There it goes. How's the back seat?
Okay.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. You ain't got no cash. You ain't got no dollar. Stay.
I think today is hopefully the last day of rain. We're going up into the mountains to go stay at another hotel for a night with our friends here. We stopped real quick to grab some food. I'm not sure where we're going here. Let's just get our own little umbrella. Udon?
Yeah.
Either that or curry.
What's udon? Curry? Really?
Yeah, I like curry too. Udon?
He said, Trevor said this is it.
Which one do I want? This one. I have no idea what it's saying. Credit card? I don't know, I think I messed it up. I might need Yuki to come help me. Credit card?
I know how to read it, but I don't know what it means.
Okay, all good.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Thank you. What do you think? I don't know what I'm doing. What are you saying? Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Your English is so good.
Thank you.
Huh? Oh. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Right?
This is some of the best curry I've ever had.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah,
So good. Oishi. Oishi.
Beef udon. We're out here.
Oishi. That's right.
What are you gonna get?
I think I'm gonna go try the shoyu one. Sounds interesting.
It was like, this is the word for black. It was like that. But kinoko is like a Japanese
Soy sauce ice cream? Give it a try. Let's try shoyu.
This is like the Japanese.
That's really good.
Yeah?
That's really good.
Salty?
No, it has shoyu flavor, but it's like almost kind of buttery.
You ain't got no cash.
This is absolutely amazing. Like full traditional Japanese experience in the mountains.
These couple of guys somehow got here.
We're gonna go to an onsen hot spring.
I wonder how yours compared to this. I've never driven it.
Water's just flowing out everywhere. Just finished driving this S15 in the mountains here. We're in the Oita prefecture. Such an awesome experience. I can't even put words to it. It's just like every childhood dream right now. We're supposed to be walking to a waterfall here. It's been raining a lot the last few days. We'll see what we can do here. I'm having the best time of my life.
There was a cockroach in our shower the other day. it was pretty big, and he started to cry. so now I'm getting him to kill whenever I find them. I get him to kill them, make them a little stronger.
This is beautiful.
My name is Julia.
Oh, you spelled it. Julia. And we're gonna go on top of the waterfall and then we're gonna ride down. Okay? An inflatable donut? Yeah.
It's donut.
It's all the way down to the waterfall.
Might crack a shell if he falls.
Chotto mate.
I just got done driving this S15 for the second day now. It's a lot of fun. They just got a couple of cars, new cars in, red S15 here for sale as well. Pretty much, I think about half the cars here are for sale and half of them are already sold, like my two here. So, who's buying the Suzuki Alto Works?
That's nice, not me.
Alright.